Hey YouTube, Habibi-Ro here, back with another video. Today I'm talking about a big issue that's affecting a lot of millennials, a lot of young people, not only in the US, but quite honestly around the world. And that is home ownership, guys. Unless you've been living under a rock, buying a house has been extremely unaffordable. I know in California, for example, just a regular house in the suburbs could cost up to somewhere between $500,000 to $700,000, and that's in a pretty decent neighborhood. If you're trying to go to the ghetto, that's probably around 200K, and even that's outrageous. But I'm here to give you guys some hope. And that hope is going to be 3D printed houses. That's right, 3D printed houses. Now, I'm telling you guys right now to hold off on buying a house because this is the future. The future is 3D printed housing. So, just a few facts about 3D printed housing is it uses half the costs or a quarter of a cost at the very minimum of building materials, half the cost of labor. The end product of the house is a quarter of what, a house that was built with all the materials and contractors and all the laborers and whatnot. So housing in the future will become extremely affordable. I'm just telling you guys right now, this is going to be the future. So if you're thinking about buying a house, just hold on. This is going to be the future, and I guarantee housing will become more affordable. In fact, I'm going to post some links down below in the description so you can check out what I'm talking about. And a few of the companies are actually doing this process. They've actually built the first 3D printed house not too long ago, actually, and pretty solid. It wasn't cheap material. It was a solid foundation. It passed all the housing codes. So I'll post those links down below, but I just want to come on here just to tell you guys this is going to be the future. This is going to be hope. So just hang on just a little bit longer and you will see what I'm talking about. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you guys so much for watching.